In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily fix Roblox error 403. So first you have to right click on your taskbar, and here we have to select Task Manager. So go through the processes by clicking on a random one and pressing R, and try to see if there are any instances of Roblox running. If there are any, basically all you gotta do is press on End Task, so we ensure that this tutorial works. If there aren't any instances, like I don't have any right here, we can just exit out of this. Now, the next step is by clicking on our computer's search bar. And here where we have to search, we can just type run. So we want to run this, run app. So click on it. Right here, this should pop up, and basically we want to type what I have written right here. Percentage local app data percentage, and we have to press on OK. So this will take us to a folder with all of the temporary files. So here we can just press on any folder, type R, so you are able to find the Roblox folder easily. And all we gotta do is right click and delete this folder. So after you have done this, just simply restart your PC. Click on restart right here, and then hopefully this should fix error 403 for you. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.